Naghahanap ka ng complete turnover unit dito sa Lipa City, Batangas. This is Audrey Model dito sa Bel Air Villas, Lipa. Tara, pasukin natin. Yung minimum lot area ng mga properties na ini-offer namin dito is 165 square meters and then yung floor area is 137 square meters. Ito yung ating carport area. Ito naman yung right side ng unit na pwede mong i-utilize as your garden. And ito yung ating service area. Dito naman yung ating lanay. And ito yung kanang bahagi ng ating unit. So makikita mo talaga na single detached yung ini-offer namin dito. Tara naman sa loob. So yung door natin dito is solid wood siya. Ito yung magsaserve mo as your living or receiving area. Please take note ha, na complete turnover yung ini-offer namin. Pero itong unit na to is dress up siya. So hindi included yung ating mga movable items. Dito sa area na to, ito yung ating dining area. And meron tayo ng sliding door going to our lanay. For our kitchen area is included ng ating mga cabinets and naka-stainless sink na tayo dito and gooseneck faucet. Ito naman yung ating ground floor toilet and bath na complete set of fixtures. And this is our maid's room. Puntahan naman natin yung second floor. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. Kita nyo naman naka-double height ceiling tayo sa area na ito. Ito yung ating first bedroom dito sa second floor. And ito yung ating bedroom number 2. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath na complete set of fixtures pa rin. And floor to ceiling tiles yung inilagay dito. And for our master's bedroom is meron itong ensuite toilet and bath. Bago tayo pumunta sa balcony, may space pa tayo dito na pwede mong i-utilize as your receiving area dito sa second floor. And lastly, ito yung ating balcony. Sa end of our quick tour dito kay Audrey Model, dito sa Bel Air Villas, Lipa, ilalagay namin dyan sa description box yung full details, yung full YouTube house tour at ng aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching. Bye!